A recent disruption in the internet banking services and mobile application of a large private sector bank have drawn attention to the increasing dependence on digital transactions. Customers of HDFC Bank have recently complained about their inability to transact. What's actually not working is the interface that allows customers access to their bank accounts. The bank's servers, which facilitate transactions, are still operational. For example, if you have already scheduled a payment, it will still go through. Here are a few ways that you can ensure that you can still access your funds if your bank's internet banking services ever go down. First, BHIM UPI is an application run by the National Payments Corporation of India, or NPCI. The application maps the bank accounts that are linked to your registered mobile number through an SMS that's sent from your phone. This is the home screen of the BHIM UPI application. In the bank accounts section, you can see all the accounts that you've added. Here, the HDFC Bank account is set as the primary account and the secondary one is an ICICI Bank account. You can send money to other individuals from the home screen using their mobile numbers, their virtual payment address or UPI ID, or their account number and IFSC code. You can also transfer funds from one of your accounts to another by hitting Send to Self. Select the account you want to transfer funds to. Then enter the amount. Finally, hit Send. You'll then be asked to enter your PIN. Once you've done this, the transaction should only take a second or two. Alternatives to BHIM UPI are Google Pay and PhonePe as well as Paytm. But on these, you can't transact using an account number and IFSC code. You can of course use a check if the transfer of funds is not an immediate requirement. You can also use facilities offered at bank branches, or if you have one, you can ask your bank relationship manager to facilitate transactions. You can also use cash because your debit card will still be operational. And finally, you should ideally have more than one bank account. Some financial planners say that a smart way to operate your finances would be to maintain one salary account, one account for investments, and another one for expenses. Of course, you could also use your salary account to manage your expenses if you think that 3 accounts are too many. Make sure you have an active debit card and net banking for all of them. If you've found methods other than the ones that we've discussed, you can tell us about them in the comment section.